Welcome back. Now there are as many ways to record a presentation when you're giving it as there are configurations. In this video, we're going to work with the simplest way. Now, in order to do that, you should have dual monitors. So what we're going to do is we're going to join the meeting with our computer audio. And so once we join, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to start our PowerPoint presentation. And so you want to make sure that you've started your slideshow. And what that's going to do is that's typically going to hide the Zoom window. You're going to have to bring it back by bringing it active in front of your presentation. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click the Share Screen button. And what's going to happen now is you're going to see a couple of options. And what you're going to do is you're going to look for the PowerPoint presentation where you see it and it looks like an active slideshow. So you're going to click on top of your active slideshow, and then you're going to then click Share button. What you'll then see is this top bar here. And what you need to know is that this bar will not be showing during your presentation. And so you can scroll through your slides. And once you've completed your PowerPoint presentation, what you can do is you can either end the meeting or you can just stop the share. If you stop the share, what that will do is that will give you an easy place to begin editing your video. And so in this case, that's what we're going to do. We're going to click Stop Share. And then once we've done that, we can then end the meeting. We'll then click End Meeting for All. Now what's happening is that our recording is now going to our cloud drive, or in some cases, if you are using a local recording, it is now being processed as a local recording. You'll then see that your recording is then processing. Now that we have the video open, what we're going to do is we're just going to fast forward the video to the point where you can see what it's going to look like when we're working through the presentation. And as you can see here, that top bar is not going to be in the video, and it's not going to be showing when you are broadcasting to the other individuals. So as you work through your presentation, you are going to want to make sure that you click that active PowerPoint window once you have set it up as a presentation or as a slideshow. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.